We're doing it wrong. Our agriculture is wrong.
I don't need to describe the epidemic of degenerative illnesses that we have. We understand that to some degree soil health is the common denominator, it's the foundation.
What's the number one yielding factor on your farm? Carbon dioxide. As the plant's digesting it down, it's boiling off carbon dioxide, which is why we're messing up the environment, because we're boiling it off at the wrong time.
What's like the weirdest out there thing that we can test?
We have to restore the ecosystems of planet Earth as fast as we possibly can.
It seems to me that regeneration at its most fundamental level is about regenerating relationships.
The farmer has to go into it with a very open mind.
We also need to aspire to regenerate ecosystem health, not just soils, but also the greater ecosystem, and not just of the plants that we are farming and propagating and harvesting a crop from.
We fulfill our responsibility to provide that abundance of a safe and nutritious diet that our population needs, that our children need, that our grandchildren and great-grandchildren will need.
When we grow really healthy food, that healthy food can help prevent people from becoming ill. And that is something that doctors and hospitals cannot do. We have the capacity to transform landscapes and to transform ecosystem function more rapidly and more efficiently and more effectively than by any other means.